All right, welcome back. We're already starting our second set here in the last game. It is the Southwest Fusion versus the Blizzard Navy, and it is an exciting match here. Lots of great rallies going on, as you can see on your screen in front of you. And that first point is going to be awarded to the Blizzard team. And here comes the coach's toss. Detriment with the pass. Fish to Muse, and another huge block there from Myra Hines. Looking a little surprised, but that's her second one of the match. Doing a great job. And a little tough on that second ball. Back to serve here now for the Southwest Fusion is number 1, Julia Fish. Fish with the serve. And a good try there from Carla Kovacic, but that point going to Fusion. Now, before it's too late, I just want to let you guys know that you can reach out to me on Twitter at Raisa Lalani. It's at the bottom of the score on your screen, RAEESALALANI. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know who you're cheering for, or if you're watching, or just if you want to shout out on the air. Coach's toss coming in. And that ball a little bit too tight for the setter there. Back to serve here now for the Blizzard team is Kate Hartland. Hartland with the serve. Passed up by the Fusion team. A little confusion, but they got that ball over. There's Sampson with the dig. But it looks like we're going to get a net call on the Blizzard team. Point Southwest Fusion. Free ball pass. And a free ball there from Jaden Fowler. Good spot there, seeing the open court. Passing that ball up is Chopin. And a set out to the left, and it's a little bit tight. That point going to go to Southwest Fusion. Now back to serve here for the Southwest Fusion team is number 8, Monique Muse. Muse with the serve, and what a serve that is. Service ace for Muse. Point Fusion. Coach's toss coming in. Chopin with the pass. A nice set right side there from Green. And that point is going to go to the Blizz from the nice swing from the right side. Coach's toss. That ball going to number 11, Kelsey Rhino. Big dig there from 25, Heartland. And a look at a free ball, but that point is going to go to Blizz. 9-6 here. 6-6 here, my apologies. 6-6 here, all tied up in the second set. And serve from Blizz just short, hitting the net. Detriment with a swing down the line from Power, but that ball just called out of bounds. That ball set left to Sampson. Sampson looking to swing out of the left side. Big dynamic approach, but unfortunately just hitting the top of the tape. Back to serve for the Fusion here. Number 4, Jaden Fowler. Free ball coming over from the Blizz, but it just didn't quite make it. Coach's toss coming in. Ball a little too tight there for Kovacic. Fusion's ball. The ball in the middle for Detriment. Detriment with the swing. Nice dig by Chopin. Good try there from Lydia Green. Point Fusion. Back to serve here now is Lydia Green. And that ball just a little bit short there. Ball going to Detremont, and she's going to swing out of the middle, and that ball is going to score. Coach's ball coming in. Sampson looking to get that second ball. A little too tough there. Point Fusion. Back to serve here is Kelsey Rhino for the Fusion team. Passed up by Kovacek. And a dribble pass there, and a great dig there from Detremont. Looks like a little collision under the net. Looked like Kelsey Rhino couldn't stop herself, kind of slipped right under. That point for Fusion. Coach's toss. Sampson in the middle. Out left to Fish. Fish with a nice swing down the line. And that point is Southwest Fusion. Coach's toss coming in. And there is a swing from the middle from Morton. Free ball coming over from Sanson and just short into the net. (17-7) here for the Fusion team. And it looks like we're going to get a substitution on the Blizzard side. Coming into the match is number 12, Lily Johnson, for number 21, Renee Sampson. And it looks like we are going to get a serve here from the Blizzard side. Coming in to serve here is number 24, Carla Kovacic. Kovacic with the serve. That ball set in the middle, and it's just short there for Morton. Coach's toss over. This time out to Fish. Fish with the tip. Good touch there by Green, but that point is down for Fish and the Fusion. Coach's ball coming in. To Johnson. That ball is over, and nothing Fish can do there. A little bit tricky there from Chopin. Point Blizzard. Now back to serve here for the Fusion is number 15, Megan Detremont. And a hand pass there, unfortunate for number 25, Kate Hartland. That is a rule in the 13U category that you have to pass it without your hands. There's a big swing there from Monique Muse. Fusion point. 29 here. Coach's toss. A little bit tight, but a good tip there from Kenzie Morton, saving that ball. And it looks like we've got a serve coming in here from the Bedford Blizzard Navy team, and going back to serve is number 12, Lily Johnson. Johnson with the serve. And it looks like the Fusion team just not quite ready for that point there. Point Blizzard. That ball set to left side. Great received by Chopin. And attempted a swing there from Kovacic, but that ball into the net. Coach's ball coming in. Kovacic with the pass. Out left to Hines. Out to Muse. And a big dig from the back row there from Blizz. And it looks like a little bit of a net call and a double hit there from the referee up on the stand. Point Fusion. 23-10 here in the second set. Fusion back to serve, number 10, Kenzie Morton. And that serve sails out the side, point Blizzard. Keep in mind the Fusion are up 1-0 here, and this is a best out of 3. Little miscommunication there, and that point goes to Fusion. This is a potential game point here for the Southwest Fusion team. Free ball put in. And there's Megan Detremont with the swing. Kovacic with the dig. Blizzard keeping the ball alive. Fish sending it out a little bit too far there to Fowler. Blizzard with some great defense, not giving up on this point. Now back to serve here is Victoria Chopin. Serve. And that is a service ace there for the Blizzard team. Coach's toss coming in. Megan Detremont with the pass. And it's a little bit too tight there for the Southwest Fusion team as the Blizzards climb back into this set. That ball set out left to Green. Green with a swing from the left side. That ball tight for Fusion's setter Fish. Point to Blizzard. Back to serve here now for the Fusion team is number 1, Julia Fish. Fish with the serve. And that is a service ace to win the game for Fusion. 25-14. They win 2 sets against the Blizzard team. And there you have it, folks. Day 1 is complete here at the 2016 Nova Scotia Volleyball Championships. My name is Ray Solani. I've had a great time doing play-by-play for you, and I will be back tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good night.